Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add perspective text in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the car. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Here is the text that I want to add it on wall. So select pixels and press Ctrl C to copy. And don't worry, it's temporary save in Photoshop memory. Now create a new layer. Go to filter, vanishing point, and add perspective points to the wall. Now press Ctrl V to paste the text and press Ctrl T to transform. Click OK. Now place the text layer under the car layer. Go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. Move black underlying slider to the right side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. Hit OK. And see how we can easily add perspective text. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.